What up, everybody? So, truck ran it the other day, and was wanting to die at the corner. It's a little cold out yet, and so I just went on a little 6-mile round trip. Adjusted the air mixture screws, but by the time I did all that, I just said, screw it, I'll try it again later. So I got that we're working on, and then when I kick my fans on, truck get the time. When I kick the fans on, the truck just it doesn't idle the same. I mean, it'll drop 200 RPM just with the fans running. So I think when I put this MSD box in here, I just hooked them up to a junction block on the firewall, and from learning stuff, I think it's causing a lot of interference from the fans. So I'm going to unhook the hot and the negative and run it all the way back to the battery, because the battery does act as a good filter. It doesn't really mess with the voltage too much, where you'll get a lot of voltage drop and increase or decrease throughout the system as you're running it. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Just a quick job, and hopefully we can get her done. So here we go. All right, so go ahead and cut all this ugly I don't even know what you call it anymore, but we're gonna cut it anyway. So hot wires, they actually got looped around, run down here somewhere. So I just gotta figure out which wire, and then I actually run the ground here to the block. So I gotta get that unwired and cut, and I'm just gonna run it down the battery cable I ran the other day. So we'll bring it back when I get all this figured out here. Down here, so the fourth terminal. Go ahead and pull that out. I think at some point I'm just gonna move this MSD box and move it inside the truck, clean up some space out here. Or just gonna cut that off, and I'm just gonna butt splice it. It says a 10 gauge wire, and I got some heat shrink. Find out what heat shrink fits. RP bolt. The MSD is actually this wire right here. I know it's a 10 gauge wire. It's starting to rain in here, so we're outside. It's gonna be a little bit loud. So we got that cut. Go ahead and put these other grounds up here. I really need to move these some days so they're not on the engine. One of those things that looks good when you start, and then just kind of becomes an eyesore. I'm gonna tighten up this screw right here before I forget it. Fall down into something. So you got this wire here. I like to cut my heat shrinks in half. Nice pair, just kidding. You can grab my other pair. I get one side on here. Let's get that semi-crimped for now. Crimp this. This other wire. Just finish crimping it. Make sure our wire stays in there. And hopefully, if our heat shrink is long enough, pretty nice there. Gonna hit it one more time. Alright, now we're gonna get strung to the back of the truck. I don't have my connectors, but I just run them down my battery cable. And down my battery. And then all I gotta do is ran them both in red, that's all I had left, so I just gotta cut these, get a correct ring terminal here. These are the ones I don't have. And then hook the other one to the ground and we're good to go. So I'm hoping that will take care of a lot of the issues I have. So like I said, I hit the fan switch, the RPMs drop about 250 RPM and the truck just kind of, you can hear it, you can feel it. As soon as you turn it off, it goes away. So I'm really hoping that that's what it's doing. So that's all it can be. So thanks for watching this one. Catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.